So we got the day off. We got back from Salt Lake yesterday, and look at this, 70, 60 all weekend. Anyway, I gotta put the tarp over the buggy, get it. I got the seat covered, but I'll just probably leave it like that. And yeah, I'm gonna work on this thing today. I gotta get the inner fender liner thing in and the toolbox mounted. I swapped toolboxes out. You guys didn't see that, or did you? I don't remember if I recorded that or not, but I got it on the 4-door now. The 4-door's got a sweet toolbox. That thing was just way too big for this truck. I didn't like it. You couldn't see out the back window, but now you can. So that's all I'm doing today. Okay, bye. So I'm in Duramax. It's working good. Excelente. Anyway, I hooked the light bar up to the fog lights because the fog lights are all painted black. Some idiot painted over it. So look at that. They painted it black. So anyway, I tied in my fog lights in right there, but I tied it in wrong. So this wire is supposed to be this wire, the purple wire. So now I got to cut this back off and redo it, and then my fog lights will work, or light bar. My light bar for the fog lights will work. So give me a second, I'll get it all hooked up the right way. So hang on. So now turn the fog light on, my light bar comes on. Sweet. Yeah, I was getting frustrated. I was like, gosh dang it, freaking thing. It took me a while to track down those lights, or the wiring, but I got it. So now when I turn, hard to see there. When I turn my high beams on, it should come out. Yeah, there it is. Turn the high beams on, the light bar will shut off, I guess. Should be the other way around, but whatever. It's cool. It still works right now. Got this in the shop. I am gonna jack it up, get that axle shaft out, swap the wheel bearing and the seal, some oil in it. Hopefully it stays together. Probably tack this up too. Put this back in there, tack it up. It's kind of out of its spot. So then probably finish tacking this one up also. Welding, I mean. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull that rear end apart and take a gander at it, see what's going on with it. Yeah, all that water is running out of there. Well, got the bearing out, and I totally forgot to record all of this, but anyway, I think I threw it away. It's not in there anymore. I threw it in there and now it's gone. Anyway, I got that wheel back on, the wheel bearing, the wheel seal, I got all that replaced. It's still making the noise. So it might be a pinion bearing or a carrier bearing. So I might have to get a rebuild kit, what I'm guessing. But I got this window to go up and down finally. I took this door apart It's only got 4 screws in it. All the other ones are missing. Anyway, I got this window to look at that. All the way down. And all the way up. So, and I just got vice grips because that thing's all stripped out in there. It's supposed to be like this, like spline. But anyways, I got that in there. I should have vacuumed it, get all that burnt stuff out of there. I was welding on the outside here, and all the burnt, it caught on fire, the plastic. I think I talked about that earlier. But I gotta vacuum this all out, get it all clean again, cover that hole so when I'm driving down the road, water is not spitting up into it, and figure out where this leak is coming from. Might be coming from up high, so I need to get some of that caulking weather joint stuff thing, whatever it was called. I can't remember what it was called. Oh shoot, I didn't even fix that. Dang it. Anyway, I gotta fix that. This window goes up and down, this little smoker window AC thing, whatever you want to call it, that works. I gotta figure out hood hinges and like a lock, a release, or hood pins, one of the two, and then put the front bumper on. I was using this for a hood hinge lock, whatever you call it. I don't know, I'm over it. But I do have the front bumper and I need to install that. Look at that. So I can cut this probably about right there, come up there, and then cut across and come down, maybe to here. That's what I'll do. I need this piece right here. Ta-da! There it is. So this was already repaired. You can see right here. So they didn't even line up the panels. They literally overlapped it. So somewhere, if you can see right here, if you see that panel, they cut it, they put the new sheet over this panel and welded it. Huh. Alright. That's what all the Bondo is. They have to put so much Bondo on it so they can hide the overlap. That's wild. Let me see if I can find the overlap. So yeah, there's the overlap right there. I don't know how much you guys can see. That's why they have to put so much Bondo in there. Anyway, I'll be right back. So the reason why I cut that out is because this one is bad. Totally gone. So what I'll do is figure out a placement for this, and And what I'll probably end up doing is realistically probably just cut a straight line across here and get rid of that overlap, and see if I can just use this piece, which I guess I can, then fix this somehow, because I need it to come all the way up to here. And now I got this panel off, it's got little dents here and there. I can just smash it back straight right here. You can see that it's kind of bowed up a little bit. Look at me, I'm a body guy now. Let me just cut this out and use this piece. Let me think about this. I gotta ponder about it. That really sucks how they did this. It was gonna be an easy repair, now it just turned into a really hard repair. But that's the only thing wrong with this bed. I think I explained this better. It is this one, it's got a little dent there. Come on, camera, come on. There you go. It's got a dent there. It's got this here, and the rest of it's okay on this side, little stuff like this. Get rid of this, plug that hole, plug that hole. I gotta fix this tailgate, the whatchamacallit's down here, messed up. Cut this off, plug that hole, cut this one off, peel this one off. Just that out. Get this chrome off of there. And then here, this is gonna be the hard part to fix, I think. I don't know. Oh, Hector's gotta fix that one. I mean, did I say that out loud? I gotta loosen all the bed bolts, shimmy the bed around, make it straight. There we go. Look how easy that's coming off. Even though it's really cold out. It's coming off pretty easy. Oh shoot, I didn't even see that. There's that one too. So, I found something else to do. This thing. Toolbox not sitting flush on the floor because there's this. And there's nobody here to help me hold the bottom. I can put a bar in here and then, you know, do the whole thing, but I got this. I can just bzzz, bzzz. So let's try it. Let's see if it works. There we go. I don't know what that was for, but it's no longer a problem. Got it out. So anyway, here I am again. I was like, I'm gonna put a sub, an amplifier in my Duramax. I had this laying around. Well, this was in the truck when I got the truck. This I had laying around for like a long time, and I was like, oh, the wires already ran. There was already power, ground, remote, all that was already here, RCA's. And for some reason, the amplifier is coming on, but it's not getting the sound on the other end. So I gotta go find me another speaker just to test this amplifier out. I know this is good because it was brand new when I put it away. I have two of these. So I think this was like a big stereo truck. It had a bunch of, it's got this amplifier in here. I don't need that. I'm gonna do away with this. Just do it all away. Don't need it. I'm gonna unhook it all, get rid of all these wires. Just get rid of it. I don't need it. So yeah, I don't even know what that is, the green wire. But anyway, I'm gonna find all these wires and just start taking them all out. This brake controller doesn't work, but I noticed there's a wire that's unhooked here. So I'm gonna find that problem. But it just turned into a whole chaotic mess. This is what I'm dealing with. So I originally pulled the stereo out just to check these RCAs. One was hooked to a subwoofer out, and the other one was hooked to front left output. I don't know, it's weird. And these ones came straight out of the stereo into the receiver or equalizer, and then so my thought on these were 2 amplifiers, 4-channel amp to run a 4-channel amp and a regular sub, or no, 4-channel amp, and run it out of here into here. But there was a bunch of RCAs to it, so I don't know how to hooked up, but I'm gonna figure some stuff out. I don't know if, because this wire was unhooked, this purple wire, and that ran to the rear speaker on the right side. That and that was hooked up, and then this came on. The power light came on. So now I'm really confused. Are they using this for I don't know. But anyway, I gotta figure this out. See, like this, I don't know what this is. And I've seen another one. This one. This one. There's another one there. So much for just hooking an amp up and throwing a sub in here. It just turned into a whole can of what in the heck am I doing? See the power antenna. This is not even hooked up. So I don't know how they have the remote wire hooked up to a key source. And that's probably the green wire that goes all the way across the dash into the fuse panel, instead of running it through this. Anyway, I can't figure it out. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna swap some RCA cables out and see if that fixes my problem. If not, then I probably have a bad amplifier, and that's probably why it was put away.